Hi, my name is Chrissy Claudio and this is Addison, and today we're here at the Endless Trails Farm in Hubbardsville, New York. Endless Trails Farm is a guest house that welcomes various guests throughout the year to enjoy staying with us here on a working farm. Also right behind us, which we can show you later, is the Charles E. Baker State Land. So a lot of guests come and stay with us and enjoy the snowmobile trails, the snowshoe, cross-country skiing, and then also the horseback riding trails. There's 130 miles over there that people can enjoy throughout the year. Endless Trails Farm and Guest House, in addition to being a guest house, is the home of the O'Mara Farms cow-calf herd, which you will see behind us. This year we're grateful and excited to welcome 150 calves to our herd, and you'll hear them and see them behind us.
Normally, a cow has one baby per year, but sometimes twins.
Here at Endless Trails, Corey, myself, and Addison are the farm managers, and we care for all of the day-to-day responsibilities for the cow-calf herd. And we also welcome and take care of all of the guests who stay with us here at the Endless Trails Guest House. So back in 2014, O'Mara Farms bought Endless Trails Farm, which became the home to the cow-calf herd. The O'Mara Farms Black Angus herd, though, was started in 2005. It started out with 5 cows with 5 calves, and all the cows were rebred. And we always joke that it was a hobby that possibly got a little bit out of control, because now our total herd is just a tick over 500. And what makes us a little bit different is we market all of our Black Angus beef here in Madison County. So I guess what makes our story a little bit different is before we were farmers here at O'Mara Farms, about 4 years ago, we took the job here, and I came from the equine industry. My husband was in construction, and we kind of we wanted a simpler life, and we wanted to enjoy, instead of leaving and going to work every day, we wanted to enjoy the things that we do and work so hard for. I would just make sure to not overtax yourself. Make sure you set achievable goals, because you don't want to set yourself up for failure.